We have a very special guest joining us today, BJP leader from Telangana, Madhvi Lata. Let me go across to Madhvi Lata ji straight up. What do you make of this controversy, Madhvi Lata ji? I wanted to get your perspective on it. Tirupati has been in the limelight, especially in the last 5 years before Chandrababu Naidu ji took over. Many questions were being raised on the way Tirupati was being administered. And now when you look back of what was happening, it's horrific. Hindus across India, and we broke the story 2 days back, I can tell you, shockwaves across India. Right, Madhvi ji?
Yes. See, there is something that we all have to understand before coming straight away onto the point of Laddu. Because Laddu is that last drop which has filled the entire vessel which was carrying unexpected atrocities over the Tirumala and the entire Seven Hills and the jewelry properties of Lord Venkateshwar Swami. I'll tell you very crisply, 16th November 2023, Sri Venugopala Swami Temple, Skanda Pushkarini, it's a place at Karveti Nagar, Chittor district. You will be all surprised that baptism was done on Hindus here, and the temple is administered by Tirumal Tirupati Devasthan. Almost 30 lakh people have been baptized, and it is there an official site of Lutheran Church. Point 2, I'll give you only facts. Hindu idols in Pitapuram, a place in Andhra Pradesh. 62-year-old temple chariot in Antarvedi, a place in Andhra Pradesh. Lord Kodandaramaswamy idol, which is the Ramatirtham temple in Vijayanagaram, they have all been beheaded and the chariot has been burnt. Apart from that, we have non-Hindu believers and people who believe in another religion and concept and theories, philosophies, have been deployed many times as ministers for endowment, chairman, board, Tirumal Tirupati Devasthanam, and EVO. So this all sums up to that it is a very big conspiracy, a scam whose motive and the motto is not just money, but to ensure that they hurt and destroy the feelings and philosophies of Hindutva. I'll ask you one simple thing. From the same place, 2 lakh laddus have been sent to Ram Mandir, Ayodhya. What does this mean? Look at their plan, that they wanted to shatter entire the asta of an Hindu. And these laddus have not only been fed to God, the Almighty, not only to the devotees, they have been circulated through devotees to many mathadish, people who take sannyasi, become sannyasis, and leave everything in their life for the sake of uplifting the Hindutva. Imagine, at the fag end of their lives, they get to this prasadam to eat. And I would want to tell all these people, that they have crossed every limit. They have stolen Srivari, that is Lord Venkateshwar Swami's mukuts, gold made out of all kind of precious stones. They have stolen the diamonds, emeralds, rubies, pearls, many. The lot of statues, right from the time of Padmavati Devi goddess, got married to Venkateshwar Swami. From then her father, Akasharaj, till the last king who ruled that place, have continuously gifted Lord Venkateshwar Swami because he is believed to be Kaliyug Bhagwan. All these years when all these thefts have been done, lot of baptism has been spread around on the seven hills. Still, God considered and probably left these people. But when they broke the belief in putting that unacceptable animal fat product in the laddu, and which has also been sent to the Ayodhya, where we all believe now Ramchandra ji have come himself onto the earth. If everybody knows, in Treta Yuga, he was taken by Vishwamitra, the rishi, to protect the Mahayagna from Maricha, Subahu and Tataki, who were putting flesh, blood, bones in the Mahayagna. Today, almost the same thing has been done with the Prasad, and it has been sent to Ayodhya. So it is a big warning to all those people who have tried to break the astha of the devotees, Hindus, to the extent that they didn't care that the God exists for Hindutvam and he knows how to take care when such demons get into the society.